My video guide is about removing the malicious pop-ups that are related to the site Starads.xyz. Starads.xyz is a malicious site which attacks Google Chrome and other browsers, but mainly Google Chrome is being attacked. Starads.xyz tries to force people into downloading and installing certain potentially unwanted software. For instance, in most of the cases, these pop-ups promote unwanted browser extensions. So, we recommend you to treat these pop-ups with extreme caution. They are the result of certain adware currently enabled in your computer. If you see these pop-ups by Starads.xyz, you should undertake the measures and get rid of any other related malware that could be mistakenly installed. These pop-ups promote a lot of malicious and unwanted browser extensions. If any third-party extensions were mistakenly added, go to the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. Then disable and delete any third-party extensions. Finally, I recommend that you research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.